What's up, YouTube? Brian here, and welcome to my new channel, 760 Cards and More. Basically, what this channel is going to be about is some thrifting, some reselling, some retail arbitrage, but mainly baseball card box breaks. And I was going to wait until the 2019 Topps Baseball came out to do my first video, but I needed to get some baseball cards opened. I had that itch, and I figured, let's start off simple. So I went out and got me a box of 2018 Bowman Retail Blaster Box. 7 packs plus an extra pack per box. And I've actually haven't opened any Bowman products in a long time because I've gotten out of buying boxes for a couple years. So I know it's retail, so I'm not expecting too much. But let's get into it and see what we can get. Alright, come on now. Alright. 7, 8 packs. So, here we go. First pack. Let's get into it. Alright, first up we got George Springer. Let me get this centered for you. George Springer, Noah Syndergaard, Hunter Renfroe, Nomar Mazara. We got an insert of Nick Prado, Bowman Scouts. And we got Michael Kopech, Chrome of Johan Mises, Chrome of Adonis Medina, Luis Urias, and Alfredo Rodriguez. Again, I'm not expecting anything like really big out of a retail. I know there's possibility. The odds are pretty far against it, but anything's possible. So, all right, Carlos Correa, Joey Votto, Anthony Rizzo, Paul Goldschmidt. We got a Chrome of J.B. Bukauskas. Oh, look at that. Retail auto of Jaron Kendall for the Dodgers. Wow, was not expecting that. That is not numbered. That's nice. A little box of retail, you pull a nice auto. All right. We'll put that up there. And we've got Isaac Paredes, Chrome of Albert Alzolay, Alex Jackson, and Royce Lewis. Wow. An auto in a retail box. First video luck, huh? Alright, Ozzie Albies, rookie. Harrison Bader, rookie. Chance Sisco, rookie. Luis Gohara. Miguel Andujar, rookie. Touki Toussaint, Chrome, J.B. Bukauskas, M.J. Melendez, Chrome, Austin Beck, and Brian Mata. Yeah, we got Albert Pujols, Andrew Benintendi, Nicholas Castellanos, Michael Conforto, another insert of the Bowman #trending, Steven Gonzalez, and we got Touki Toussaint again, Chrome of Hunter Green, Chrome of Lazaro Armenteros, Steven Duggar, and Matt Sauer. What do we got? This is 4 packs left. And I'm not unhappy at all. Alright, we got... Is that Yoan Moncada? Oops. Willie Calhoun. Lucas Sims. J.P. Crawford. Chrome of Brendan McKay. Bowman Birthdays insert of Paul DeJong. Brendan McKay. Chrome of Braxton Garrett. Eloy Jimenez. Dennis Santana. And Cole Regans. If I'm butchering these names, I apologize. Some of these guys I've never heard of before, so. Alright, next pack. Dominic Smith, Manny Machado, Miguel Cabrera, Corey Knebel, and it looks like Rookie of the Year favorites of Alex Verdugo. That's a nice looking card. You got Cornelius Randolph, Chrome of Logan Allen, Chrome of Ronald Guzman, Pete Alonso, and Oscar De La Cruz. Alright, Gary Sanchez, Buster Posey, Rougned Odor. Hey, there we go. Shohei Ohtani rookie card. Not bad. We'll throw that with the autograph. Corey Kluber, Chrome of Cornelius Randolph, Zach Littell, Jordan Hicks Chrome, and Christian Stewart, and Adam Hazley. Alright, last pack. Do we have enough luck to get something else? There we got Chris Bryant, Walker Buehler rookie card, Richard Urena, Parker Bridwell, Chrome of Zach Littell, Bowman Scouts Top 100 of Royce Lewis, Tyler O'Neill, Chrome of Justin Williams, Justice Sheffield, and Kyle Cody. So overall, not bad. Let's do a quick little recap of just the inserts. Got the Bowman Scouts of Royce Lewis, Alex Verdugo, Rookie of the Year favorites, Bowman Birthdays of Paul DeJong, hashtag trending Steven Gonzalez, and Bowman Scouts Nick Prado. Then of course we pulled the Shohei Ohtani rookie card. And the big hit, which surprised me, autograph Jaron Kendall, Bowman first Bowman card, Jaron Kendall autograph. So there you go. Not a bad box. Wow, for retail, I don't think I've ever maybe pulled one auto, and that was like 5-6 years ago, out of a retail box. 2018 Bowman retail blaster box. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button, click the bell icon to get notifications anytime I post a video. Like the video, comment, let me know how I did. I know I have another box coming, and I'll probably do that this coming weekend. It's going to be, I believe, 2018 Bowman Platinum. Like I said, I had an itch and just could not wait until the 2019 Topps came out, so I had to open something. So keep an eye out for that. If you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.